Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video I will also tell you how you can make your Instagram account private. Please friends, subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put likes and write comments at the end of the video. So let's get down to our topic. First of all, open up your Instagram offer. Next, go to your profile. And if you have a professional account that you'd like to make private, you'll start by clicking on the three bars in the upper right-hand corner, then Settings, and in the settings you'll need to select this option. Next is Account Switching, and here select Switch to Personal Account. Confirm your actions. And now go back to your page. You can refresh it for reliability, and as you can see here, is gone this window that says that there was a professional account. Then to make it private, also click on the three bars at the top, then Settings again. And scroll down a little bit. Here you will find a section called Account Privacy. Click on it, and as you can see, the account is now public. In order to make it private, you will need to click on this button here. Confirm your action, and then your account will instantly become private. This is the simple way, friends, you can easily make your Instagram account private. I really hope this video helped you and also that it was helpful. Please subscribe to the channel, write your comments, and don't forget to put your likes. See you soon.